So you are home searching right now. Here are 4 questions you should ask yourself while searching for a home. Number 1, ask questions. Your agent is there to help you with the process, but make sure you ask all the right questions to get the full information. Number 2, slow down. You're buying a home for the long term. Make sure this is the right home because again, you're spending a lot of money and that's the biggest investment of the next 5 to 10 years. So make sure you really take the time and find the right home. Number 3, take a second look. As I mentioned before, this is a big investment. Make sure you go to see the property again to observe everything and make sure that the home actually meets your needs. Number 4, consider the needs versus the wants. Yes, everyone wants hardwood floors on both floors. Everyone wants 10-foot ceilings on the main, but do you really need those upgrades? Make sure that when you're spending money, you're getting the right upgrades and not just going and spending money on the roof and turning the windows. The upgrades are next. Buy the home first, then we'll take care of the rest. If you have any other questions, give me a call, 416-712-1105.